Welcome to 200forexpips.com, guys. This video is especially for you traders who are just losing their money in forex trading, so do not skip this video, just watch this video. So guys, this is my Exness real account. You can see on the screen and you can see that how profitable trading I am doing from a long time. And guys, this is the recent April results that I am showing to you right now. So guys, if you want to be a successful trader, then I am one of the providers who provide the signals in the form of reports. So guys, you can follow my signals. You can make your you can simply ask me for the signals. You can see the profit on the screen that we have generated during a few days working in April. And moreover, my signals are in the form of report. Like if I'm bearish on Euro USD, then I will give the signal like this. This is my 16 April report. So guys, and you can see a trading system on this chart. This is the top red boundaries, the overbought levels, and the lower red boundaries, the oversold levels. So taking buy positions from this level can take the market up, and guys, taking sell positions from the top red boundary can make the market down. And guys, if you are looking to forex coaching, if you are looking for the right mentor, I have taught many people till now, and guys, I can show you, even my subscribers shows the results to me. Look at here, they are providing me with the different results on a daily basis. Let me show you more subscribers will learn from me. Look, April 4 until today, making good profit scalping and using signals. And guys, you can see this guy deposit was $500 and he has made the profit of 511.90. So guys, do not miss that opportunity. If you are willing to subscribe to my signals, if you are willing to get the trading system, and if you are willing to get the right coaching, then please email me on info@200forexpips.com or send me a message here. Thank you very much for watching this video.